The bigger the headphones, the better the sound quality, which is why numerous people around the world prefer over-ear headphones. Over-ear headphones offer better sound quality and better comfort compared to any other types of headphones. The comforting feature of an over-ear headphone enables a user to wear it for long hours without hurting the ears. Almost all the headphones producing companies are designing better over-ear headphones every year due to its popularity. Bang & Olufsen is one of the most trending over-ear headphone companies, and the company has introduced some popular pairs of headphones in the market. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones are one of the best over-ear headphones that you should consider buying. And today, we want to talk about this exceptional pair of over-ear headphones.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Bang & Olufsen Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones is a stylish portable music listening device intended for those who love listening to music for long hours. It comes with a bunch of impressive technology aiming to enhance the user's experiences. Days of controlling buttons are long gone with the new touch controlling technology of the Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless headphones. Users can control volume, music, and receive calls using the on-device aluminum touch controls. A dedicated button on the Beoplay H9 enhances the accessibility and ease of use through a voice assistant. It has its own Siri to execute your commands. This elegant looking over-ear headphone comes with active noise cancelling technology, ANC, that ensures exceptional sound quality. The headphones have a transparency mode that would let you tune in or tune out your surroundings. The headband is designed with leather and the ear cushions are designed with memory foam, which ensures the utmost comfort for the headphones users. The Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless Bluetooth headphones come with advanced Bluetooth wireless technology for uninterrupted connection and strong signals. You can expect to get a connectivity range up to 10 meters and the device memory can remember 8 connected devices. In other words, you don't have to worry about the connectivity at all. It has an impressive battery life. Once fully charged, you can listen to music for 25 hours using Beoplay H9 by Bang & Olufsen. We've investigated the users' ratings on the Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones and found out that Bang & Olufsen is a highly trusted headphone producer. We analyzed the review for the Beoplay H9 3rd Gen model of Bang & Olufsen and we found the product has received 4.1 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 152 ratings. The users really appreciated the sound quality, battery life, and the noise cancellation feature of the headphones. Here are some comments from real users. One user has given a 5-star to Beoplay H9 3rd Gen and said, "I own the Bowers & Wilkins P5 and these B&O headphones have superior audio quality and comfort. The ANC is a bit less compared to Sony WH-1000 XM3, however the overall quality and sound signature is superior. Battery life is excellent and you can charge them over USB-C and listen simultaneously." Another user has given a 5-star rating to the product and said, "The main reason why I chose the new Beoplay H9 in the 3rd generation is the excellent build quality, the balanced sound, the functional app, and the most important codecs for me, AAC and aptX. Use the bass." Not everyone liked the product though. One person has given 2 stars to the product and wrote, "These work great except they seem to have a built-in contextual awareness of the speaker positioning. They automatically play or pause your media when they're put on, taken off or adjusted. However, these settings are so sensitive that the slight changes from walking or even chewing cause the playback to stutter every quarter second, rendering them completely useless unless sitting still." That's all we have on the Beoplay H9 3rd Gen wireless Bluetooth over-ear headphones for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.